quick room tour. A little over a week worth of luggage. All right, so we were upgraded to a 1-bedroom. So we got, look at that, full-on fridge. What is this? Dishwasher. Sweet. Micro. Drawer.
And
stove.
And a knife.
And a knife.
It's currently, it's really small.
Pull-out couch. Big.
And this one is mega size.
Oh, it's dark, but we have a mountain view. Got a fireplace. And then closets. Nice. Ooh, soaking tub. Standing shower. Westin. Full on. Nice. Lighted vanity mirrors. One bedroom. It's got its own TV. And then closet. Alright. And then, ooh, pretty. Alright. That is a tour of the Westin 1-bedroom premium suite. We did take the breakfast option. Ooh, what's this? It's got a sleep spray. Look at that. All right, so 1-bedroom, king pull-out couch, premium suite. Peace. All right, so official view of the kitchen. They did include 2 complimentary waters, induction stove, 2-burner. There is an outlet there. Full-on microwave. Looks like also maybe a toast. Nope, full microwave. Cutlery, glassware for 4. Cooking strainer, Pyrex. What is that? Toaster? Alright. Nice. Alright, we love our oat milk. There's a freezer component. Nice dishwasher. Top mount controls. Oh, toaster, frying pan. Cookware, cutlery, trash can. Full layout of the kitchen and dining and living room.
The amazing thing about staying at the Westin is they use their own custom heavenly bed. The bed is absolutely comfortable, wonderful to sleep in, and very cozy. The room that we had was a corner room near the elevator, but the room was absolutely quiet. You couldn't hear too much noise of people moving in and out. Full kitchen, full fridge, wonderful view overlooking the snow-capped mountains during the daytime. Definitely a stay if you can. The Westin at Whistler. Thank you for being amazing and staying to the end. We hope you enjoyed the video. Here are some playlists of our other food and travel adventures that we hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. We will see you on the next one. Have a blessed day.